Does your student go to an APS school or APS charter school? If you answered yes, then they have access to the APS Community Clothing Bank. The Clothing Bank is a free, discreet way for your student to get new socks, underwear, gently used clothing, or school supplies so that they can show up to school ready to learn. Here at the Clothing Bank, our mission is for no student to miss a day of school due to inappropriate or inadequate clothing or school supplies, and we mean it. If your family ever needs some help, you're not alone. In the 2021 school year alone, we served about 2,500 students, helping them get the clothes, coats, or school supplies they needed to succeed in school. The best part is getting socks, underwear, clothing, shoes, and school supplies is easy and free. All you have to do is connect with your student's teacher, school counselor, or nurse to let them know you need some items. They will ask you some questions, but it's only so we can make sure that your student gets items that fit. Next, our team will prepare your order and drop it off at your school, usually in about a week, in an unmarked bag for them to bring home. Sometimes you may find a voucher in your package. This will allow you to go to one of our business partners to choose the shoes or clothes that will work best for your student. These businesses are located off the city bus lines, but if you need help getting there, please talk to the person at your student's school that helped you get your Clothing Bank package. So if your student needs quality clothes or school supplies, don't wait. Talk to a staff member at your school today. Tell them you saw a video about the Clothing Bank and need help with a referral. Before you know it, your student will have some clothes or supplies, making school easier to attend. If you are interested in supporting the Clothing Bank, you can always help by donating clothes, helping with fundraising, or volunteering your time. To learn more about how you can be involved, visit the link in the description below. For more information about this program, contact the APS Community Clothing Bank by phone at 248-1873 or email at clothing.bank@aps.edu. You can also visit the APS Community Clothing Bank website at aps.edu/community/clothing-bank. You can find important information about the process to get this type of assistance. Thank you for watching.
Created using Powtoon.